Amid diverse speculations and criticisms from social media users and Nigerians, popular skit maker markangelcomedy has finally announced that he stopped managing teen stars Emmanuella and Success. NaijaNews reports that this comes a few months after the controversy involving former crew member Denison Igwe, who accused Markangel of financial exploitation. However, during a TikTok live session on Tuesday, Markangel said he no longer manages Emmanuella and Success. According to him, some agency manage the teen stars, but he still works with them. He said, "I no longer manage Emmanuella and Success. There was a time I used to manage them when they were kids, but I am not busy with lots of engagement. They are now being managed by a professional agency because I'm too busy to manage them, but I still work with them." Recently, Denison Igwe revealed that his social media accounts, including his YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram pages, were hacked the week he left markangelcomedy. According to him, since the hack, the pages have not added a single subscriber because he was told to do something he does not understand. He says since 2019 till the present time, the social media pages have remained stagnant. Igwe made the revelation during a recent appearance on the Honest Bunch podcast. He said, "They hacked my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram pages the week I left markangelcomedy. I was told to do something I do not understand, but the page do not go forward or backward. Since 2019 till now, the social media pages have not added one follower. It's just there like that." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.